I came into a general science program without knowing exactly what I wanted to study. I like biology, chemistry, physics, and I didn't really know which path I wanted to go. When I took a first year earth science class, I found that it incorporated all these different aspects of science and applied it to the study of the earth and natural phenomena.
I chose the Earth Science department after I took my first year class. It was Earth Rocks 1022. I really loved the subject matter. I fell in love with it. And I had such a great experience with the TAs and the prof.
My first degree was actually in computer science. Didn't quite finish it, but along the way, I took earth science courses as my electives because I've always just been so fascinated with the earth, kind of seeing it as this intricate machine. Each time I took a new course, I would get a small piece of the whole picture, and I don't know, I got excited every time I took one of those courses.
From a young age, I knew that I was passionate about science. When I was in first year, I found these first year classes to be very overwhelming, and I felt like I was just a number out there. When I was able to change into earth and environmental science, this was a refreshing change.
One of the things I really enjoy about environmental science is how interdisciplinary it is, how you get to take a little bit of biology, a little bit of chemistry, a little bit of physics, a little bit of geology.
I chose to study earth sciences because I've always been fascinated by nature and also about how Earth's features form, evolve, and shape the world around us.
I started in chemistry, and it wasn't until taking an elective in geology that I fully understood the applied nature of the geosciences. That, coupled with my love of sport and passion for the outdoors, drew me away from more traditional lab-based sciences such as chemistry or physics and towards geology.
I originally joined Western in biology to pursue astrobiology. However, after my second year, I found the interdisciplinary program of biology and geology, and that's when I realized just how much I loved the subject.
I was drawn to earth sciences because of my fascination to geophysics and the computational modeling of the natural catastrophe.
Honestly, I've always had an appreciation and a fascination with rocks. Even as a child, I would spend my summers down by the River Thames looking for fossils inside various rocks, looking for ancient shells, of course, and that fascination continued to the modern day.